Okay, yeah, better late than never. Here is the haul video, and I decided to just put this little quick mini walkthrough in it just so I could talk and let y'all know what's going on. But this video is actually a haul video that I recorded probably a month ago and never posted. I always tell y'all in my live stream that I'm going to post this video, and I never did. So here's the video. Shout out to the MVP riders. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always having my back. Thank you for always watching any and everything your girl posts. But let's get into the haul video, y'all. Let's do a haul real quick, y'all. Let me do a haul. Let me turn this light on just so it could come up a little bit better. But let's do a quick haul. I was putting lotion on my hands. Okay, here we go. This is the single wick sale, the $5.95 single wick sale, and I did use a reward. Let's get into the bag. Okay, the single wick sale. I told you I wasn't going to get a whole lot, but I did grab some candles, and this is snowflake and cashmere. I did grab 2 of these, because as you do know, these are the high dollar single wicks. So a $5.95 sale is a really good sale to get these on. The next one is Winterberry Ice, and I did grab 2 of this one as well. So yes, this is a new scent for its candles. I don't know for sure if this came out with the body care collection. I'm not sure, but this one you most definitely could get in body care form. I think this is the first year that they've done it in candle form. So yes, I did grab 2 of these. Sorry y'all, but I'm trying to hurry up because I have to go back to work. And I grabbed 2 of these. Don't like the lids on them. You cannot keep the lids on these single wicks for nothing in the world. No matter how hard you press, no matter pushing them in the center, it does not work. If you know a trick to keeping these lids on, please leave that down in the comments, because these lids be everywhere. I'm just saying. Only other way is to put tape on them, and I really don't want to put tape on the candles. So yes, those are all of the single wicks I got with that $5.95 sale. And I did grab 1 item with rewards, and that is the eucalyptus and pine essential oil mist. Y'all know I love these essential oil mists, so I wanted to try this one, so I grabbed it. Okay, the next sale is the body care sale that went on this past weekend, the mega sale. And y'all already know what I grabbed. 2 oils. I grabbed 2 of these oils because y'all know I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for a sale on these oils. It hasn't been included in any of the body care sales. So now with this sale, this mega sale, I decided to just go ahead and grab it. And I actually placed another order and grabbed 2 more. So I did get a total of 4. Because y'all know I love Bath and Body Works body oil. And because this hasn't been on sale, and I'm sure it's not going to be a part of any future sales until Body Care Day, which is the 2nd week of December. And I don't even think this will be around. So that's why I just got what I wanted. So yeah, grab that one. And also one last thing I grabbed was this, the Sensitive Skin body wash, the moisturizing body wash. I wanted to try this just to see how it is. So yeah, that's all of the items I got with the body care sale. Oh, and then I had a reward. So I got this with the rewards. Also, with 2 of those oils, I did get with some candles, and I did use a coupon, a 20% off coupon. So I was able to get this because I don't have this Winter Candy Apple. I don't have it, so I decided to just grab it just to try it, just to see what it's all about. Y'all know this scent comes out every year. Every year you could get this in the body care. You could get it in a candle form. This is one of their scents that always come back. So yeah, like I said, with that body care sale, 2 of the oils I did use a 20% coupon on. So I got them for like $4 or something. Moving on to the candles I got. The first candle is the 3-wick candle Woodlands. So I did want to try this candle. It is new out. So I grabbed that. They did have it in the store. I was super happy about it. But for me, hopefully this one is better when I burn it, because smelling it on cold is not really giving me what I thought it was going to give. So hopefully it's better when burned. If you burn this candle, leave that down in the comment. Tell me, what do you think about it? The next candle I got is a backup. I got a backup of the Crunchy English Toffee. If y'all don't know, I think her name is Scent Snob. She sent me one a couple of weeks ago, so this is my second one because it is so good. And shout out to her for sending this to me. I did post it on Instagram, but I don't know if I ever said anything on YouTube. So yeah, she did send me one of these, so I decided to grab a backup. On another set, I might grab a few more because this is actually really good. So yeah, grab that. The next two candles I got is Happy Hanukkah. I decided to grab 2 of these candles. A lot of people are saying this smells like wild berry jam donut or whatever that candle is called. I haven't burned this yet, but I wanted to grab 2 just in case it's really good and I like it. At least I know I have 2 of them. So I did grab those 2. And remember, I did have a coupon. A 20% coupon. The next one is, I also grabbed 2 of these. It's just that the other one is out there in the open space area burning. Well, not burning, but I did burn it. So I grabbed 2 of this. This is the wild berry and ube, however you pronounce that. That's what that is. This one is actually really nice. I really like this candle, so most definitely will be grabbing more because I do like it. And the one that I'm using now is already at the halfway point, probably a little bit lower than halfway. So yeah, I grabbed 2 of this one. Golden Berry Mistletoe. I only grabbed 1, and I actually forgot that this was in the candle form. I was actually checking out and I asked the young lady and she was like, yeah, we got that in the candle form. So this was like a last minute pickup. So yeah, I did grab this one as well. So I'm gonna give this one a try. Hopefully it's good. If it is, then I will grab another one. But on cold, it's not bad. It's not bad. So we shall see. Leave in the comments if you burn this one yet. How do you like it? And the next one, well, the last one I grabbed was the Balsam and Bergamot. Really wanted this because y'all know they always do like the tree form, the mahogany and balsam. So I figured this might be a really good Christmas candle. It's new out, so I decided to just go ahead and grab it to try it. If you tried this one, leave it down in the comments. I really love the neutral collection, so every time that they come out with something from the neutral collection, your girl is gonna try it. Only if it's something new. I'm not picking up any more repackages. So that's the reason why I grabbed this, because it's new and I haven't tried it. So yeah, leave in the comments if you try any of these candles that I hauled today. Leave that down in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments about any and everything I post or showed y'all in this video. Do that. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, y'all. Hit that notification bell. And I'm gonna have to get out of here because I'm already running late. So leave down in the comments, what did you pick up on these sales? The Mega Body Care sale, the how much was these candles? The $13.95 candles. I know everybody had coupons that was expiring over the weekend, so leave down in the comments, let me know, what did you grab with your coupon? And that $10 off 30. So leave that down in the comments. Subscribe, thumbs up, comments, or emojis in the comments area. All that stuff do help. And shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for supporting me. And I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.